In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, head to the upper left corner of the screen and click your workspace avatar. This will open a menu where you can access several administrative options. From that menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for the section labeled Imports, Exports. This is where ClickUp lets you bring information in from other tools or file types. Click Import Items to begin the process. Next, you'll be asked to choose your import source. Since we're bringing in a CSV file, select Spreadsheet. This tells ClickUp that your file contains structured data arranged in rows and columns, which it can convert into tasks. After that, choose the location where you want the imported tasks to go. You can import them into a space, a folder, or a list, depending on how your workspace is organized. Take a moment here to choose carefully, because this determines where all of your new tasks will appear. On the same screen, you'll also need to select the date format and the delimiter used in your CSV file. This is important because it helps ClickUp correctly interpret your file structure. Once those settings look right, click Continue. Now it's time to upload your CSV file. You can either select the file directly from your computer, or simply drag and drop it into ClickUp. After the upload, ClickUp will read the file and display the columns it found. At this stage, you'll map your fields. This means matching each column from your CSV file to the correct ClickUp field. For example, a due date column should match a date field, and any status-related column should be connected to the appropriate task field, if available. This step is especially important because it ensures your imported tasks are organized correctly once they appear in ClickUp. Be sure to confirm that the column containing your task names is mapped to task name. This is one of the most important parts of the setup, since each imported row needs a clear task title in ClickUp. Before you finish, review the imported information carefully. Check that the data looks correct and that each field has been mapped the way you intended. A quick review now can help you avoid cleanup later. When everything looks good, click Import into ClickUp. ClickUp will then create the tasks from your CSV file in the location you selected. Thanks for watching.